Our good friend Dave just arrived in from Australia via New York and where else?
Yeah.
So we're going to leave you guys. We have to.
Yes.
Yes, a few places in the States. He's going to be hanging out with us in the birdhouse. So it's going to be fun and games.
Let us go.
So one concept that Sai had is like, man, it'd be cool to find some really nice samples or something cool in Brazil that we could do a track that represents our time here. So rhythmically, I've got heaps of ideas from working with drummers in Salvador, which I did a few months back. And we're looking for today like a cool vinyl, which maybe we can find some classic percussion or classic vibes that we can chuck in straight into the MPC. Cool, so I just came in to see what Simon's been digging around and finding. Hopefully find something cool on this album. His sampler, Patua Discos, has been legendary enough to let us bring in our sampler because we don't have a turntable back at the studio.
It's good. It's great.
We're looking for something that we can, obviously we can't fit 30 percussionists into the studio, even though I would love to. So we're looking at sampling some of the beautiful sounds to play with my drumming, and I'm going to overlay a lot of percussion as well, but getting Simon on the MPC so we take a piece of Brazil with us when we leave too in our live set.